In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of using a foot and calf massager effectively, ensuring that you reap the maximum benefits, and thus answering your question about how do you use a foot and calf massager in India.
Let me introduce you to JSB HF05 Ultra Leg and Foot Massager. To start using, first plug into the electric supply and then insert your feet inside the massager. Press the main master button to switch on the machine. To turn the massager on in auto mode, press the power button. You can also choose manual setting by pressing the manual button. You can also opt for vibration and heat by pressing the vibration mode. The remaining time is shown on the LED panel here. The massager comes with removable and washable foot covers for hygiene.